I would like to ask you to leave the video if you hate money and the riches. Watch the video till the end to see hundreds OD testimonials. The following is a step-by-step video training takes you by the hand and shows you exactly how the Secret Millionaire bot works and how you can start using this to make money today. The best part about the Secret Millionaire bot is that don't need a list, a product, or any prior experience to make money, and we'll show you the simple steps to get big results extremely quickly inside. Plus, this is truly a method anyone can use to get fast result, even if you never made $1 online.
Secret Millionaire Bot is a time-tested framework that will take you from zero to bringing in cash online on the first day you use it. This system can assist you with raking in tons of cash by utilizing the Instagram platform. It teaches you how to use Instagram, build your brand, use Instagram as an affiliate marketer, become an Instagram dropshipper, and much more. Secret Millionaire Bot offers detailed video training on how to use social media platforms, particularly Instagram, to earn money online. Once you sign up for the system, you'll get access to the software and the training materials. Product research. The Secret Millionaire Bot employs sophisticated algorithms to identify profitable affiliate products to promote. To find the most profitable products in your niche, the system analyzes data from various affiliate networks. How does the Secret Millionaire Bot work? Traffic generation. The system generates targeted traffic to your affiliate link once you've identified a profitable product to promote. The traffic is generated by a variety of channels, including social media, search engines, and paid advertising. Campaign creation. The Secret Millionaire Bot creates a conversion-optimized campaign. The campaign consists of a landing page, an opt-in form, and an email sequence designed to convert leads into buyers. Sales tracking. Your sales and commissions are tracked in real time by the system. You can access your dashboard to see how much money you've made, which products have sold the most, and where your traffic is coming from. Pros. 1. Even if you have no prior experience with affiliate marketing, the system is simple to use and navigate. 2. The Secret Millionaire Bot generates fully automated campaigns complete with landing pages, opt-in forms, and email sequences. 3. The system sends targeted traffic to your affiliate link from a variety of sources, such as social media, search engines, and paid advertising. 4. Using the system's dashboard, you can track your sales and commissions in real time. Cons. Beginner market research and understanding are required, but don't worry. This program itself teaches you so. From my personal experience, I would recommend you to spend some time on the traffic sources to get rid of your fear of nervousness and self-doubtedness. Once you make your purchase of this amazing package, you will get to watch a series of powerful lessons to teach you the concepts you need to know. Secret Hash 1. The timeless principle that generated over $4.3 million in affiliate sales in the business over the past 4 years. And it continues to work like a charm to this day. It's timeless for a reason, because it never gets old. Secret Hash 2. How to go from drowning in a bloody red ocean full of clowns, sharks, and fierce competitors to thriving on a wild new unicorn island, flooded by a torrential downpour of sales. Secret Hash 3. How to craft your razor-sharp marketing message that will strike your ideal prospect like a thunderbolt. Seriously. Secret Hash 4. The forgotten prescription strategy to find irresistible offers that hit the bullseye of your market, therefore leaving only the lunatics will refuse to buy from you. Secret Hash 5. How to build a sales funnel that not only smells good, but increases your conversion rate by a staggering 300%. So you're not only getting clicks, but actually getting the goddamn sales. Secret Hash 6. How to tap into a little-known traffic source that is filled with a stampede of begging-to-buy customers. And no, it's not useless software, Reels, TikTok, solo ads, blogging, or the Zuckbook. Secret Hash 7. How to scale your affiliate marketing business to 6 and 7 figures by harnessing the power of the flywheel system. Plus, actionable steps to take, so you can finally get your business set up properly, and a lot more. Moreover, if you get Secret Millionaire Bot from my link, you will get a discount that is worth more than 57% of the actual product price. This is so because I'm one of their official partners, and I myself have earned and still earning 1,000 figures. Why will you benefit greatly from buying this product? Once you order, you get instant access to all the secrets, systems, tricks, and hacks you'll ever need in your affiliate marketing business, and the massive package of bonus gifts to get all your affiliate marketing needs covered. For the first time ever, You will be taken by the hand to learn how to set up and launch your own wildly profitable affiliate marketing business by simply copying and pasting the already successful business blueprint and formula. That is why by the time you're done with the Secret Millionaire bot, you'll have all the foundational training you need, as well as an actual customized business plan to follow.